Hello students, today we are going to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbons. In the subtopic is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, in that alkenes and alkynes. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means already you know that where the C double bond C and C triple bond C are present. Okay, the hydrogen is not sufficient in these molecules. You can see unsaturated hydrocarbons not contain the maximum possible number of hydrogen atoms per molecule. You know that alkane molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, in alkenes 2 hydrogens are less, in alkynes 2 more hydrogens are less, total 4 hydrogens less comparatively alkanes. So here less number of hydrogens are there, so multiple bonds are present. In naming of alkene and alkynes, the longest carbon chain needs to be covered the multiple bonds. Okay, example here in this compound, what is the longest chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the condition is the multiple bonds should be covered. So number 1 and 2. Now you count the longest chain. 3, 4, 5. Only 5 carbon chain is the longest. 6 carbon is not. Okay. Now you know the basic structure of IUPAC, that is a prefix plus word root plus suffix. Here what is the word root? Pent. What is the suffix? In. Where the in is started? First position. What is the substitution? Second position methyl is there. Second position ethyl, sorry. Second position ethyl is there. 2 ethyl pent 1 in. Okay, this is the name. 2 ethyl pent 1 in. Now how you will give the numbering here? Obviously double bond should get more preference, so the numbering is from left to right. In is higher preference than ein than n. So finally the name is 5, 6. Total 6 carbons are there. So Higgs, then double bond is there. In it started from second, so 2 in. The substituent is methyl at 5th position. See here, 2 possibilities are there. So from where you will start the numbering? 1. Obviously we know that double bond is more preferred than triple bond than single bond. If you take the first carbon here, triple bond is there. Here first carbon only single bond. Obviously this numbering is suitable. So answer is 5 carbons. So pent. Then there is no substituent, only suffix, that is 3 in 1 ein. The 2 alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order always. Name you have to write in alphabetical order. Next, here again 2 possibilities are there, numbering. Obviously first preference alkene, it's okay. Then what is the name here? Pent 1 in 3 ein. So total 5 carbons. Then pent 1 in. Here first carbon double bond is there. Here first carbon single bond is there, means this is the wrong, this is the correct. Next, here only one molecule is there. Of course numbering 2 possibilities are there. Which possibility is correct? Double bond is more preferred, so obviously the green one is correct. If the same set of numbers is obtained by continuing in either direction, the number is assigned in the alphabetical order. Okay. Now see here, little big molecule You can see here total, what is the long chain here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 7 8. Here also one possibility is there, there also one possibility is there, but where you will give the preference? So 6 is the TK. So after 6, the here double bond is there, here single bond is there. Obviously the double bond is more preferred, so this is the correct numbering. And bus, this is only the choice, there is no other option. Done. So numbering is done. So what about substituents? See here, fifth position, after giving the numbering, third position one methyl is there, third position methyl is there, and seventh position also methyl is there. So 3 comma 7 dimethyl. Then fourth position CH2 double bond is there, this is called methylidine, methylidine. CH3 is the methyl, okay, CH2 double bond is methyl as it is IDNE, IDENE, methylidine, idine, okay, methylene. See, double bond is there, ene. If double bond is there, ene. Here also double bond is there, ene, it's okay. And methyl group, that's a methyl, methyl and ene. Extra this ID will come here, ID, when double bond is there, ID, methylidine. Suppose the next somewhere you will get it, CH3 CHCl2 is there like this. So this is also called ethylidine chloride, ethylidine chloride, okay. ID, whenever ID will come, it is similar to double bond type, double bond or two substituents, same substituents like that, okay. Now, so fourth position over fifth position ethyl, then sixth position again. Here this is alkyne, means ethyl, what is this, ethine, generally ethine means what, ETHI, ethine, C triple bond C, ethine hota hai. In the ethine as a substituent, alkane as a substituent alkyl, ethane as a substituent ethinyl, ethinyl, okay. Alkane as a substituent it will come alkyl, okay, alkyl, so it will come as ethinyl, okay. Alkene will come alkenyl, alkenyl, like that. So fifth position ethyl, it's okay, done. Sixth position ethinyl, bus, over. Now alphabetical order you have to arrange, alphabetical order. In this alphabetical order, this di is not preferred, okay, di should not consider. Next, after di only all are E and M is there, it's okay. E may ethyl, ethinyl, then methyl, methylidine, okay. This is the sequence, you can see once, cross check, okay. Di we should not consider in alphabetical order because that is a numerical prefix. Then again one big question, so what is the longest chain here? Here are similar to that, okay, not similar to that, same question. After 1 comma 7 diene, it's okay. Now it is also same question only. Same question, 5 ethyl, 3 comma 6 dimethyl, 4 methylidine, sixth position, sorry, there it was triple bond is there, that time ethynyl. Okay, now it is a vinyl. Vinyl is the common name, otherwise we can say ethynyl. Ethene, actually it is ethene, so ethynyl also you can write it. Ethynyl or vinyl. Okay, these both are same. So here written vinyl, long chain is octa, then diene is there 1,6 position. The diene where it started, one double bond is started from first carbon, the second double bond started from sixth carbon. Next, same compound. Okay, similar compound, it's not same compound. You can see here in the last compound, here single bond was there, now long chain, of course 8 carbon chain. Last time we took the numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this, but in this numbering whatever I given here, left to right numbering में first double bond is there, here also first double bond, second no substituent, but here second substituent is there, so left to right is wrong numbering, right to left is correct numbering. Okay, in this correct numbering, again substituent, just now we discussed in the last example. See, sixth position it is a methyl, and seventh position also methyl, sixth and seventh, sorry, second and sixth, 2,6 dimethyl, 2,6 dimethyl over. Then fifth position CH2. Okay, methylidene, already we discussed in the last example. Then this is the ethyl, fourth position is ethyl, fourth position is ethyl. Then third position ethenyl or vinyl. In the last example we written that vinyl, now they written ethenyl, ethene yl, ethenyl. Okay, total carbons octa, 1,7 diene. These all are alphabetical order, you have to arrange. Next, again 8 carbon chain is there, so numbering, is it correct or wrong? Check it once. Here 1 2 3, 1 2 3, same. Here methylidene and ethyl, what is the preference? Obviously alphabetical order, so ethyl is more preferred. See, lowest sum of rule according to this, 4 3 5 6, 4 3 5 6 means same. Okay, lowest sum is same. Now you have to give the preference here. Double bond is there, here also double bond is there. Third position methyl, if you give the numbering 1 2 3, third position methyl. Fourth position is ethyl, here fourth position is methylidene. Okay, alphabetical order, ethyl is more preferred, so number 4 should come here. So 4 ethyl, 3,6 dimethyl, 5 methylidene. Then alphabetical order you arrange it. Total carbons 8, that's why oct. Then 2 double bonds are there, 1,7 diene. Okay, I think you understood clearly. Is there any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. In naming hydrocarbons, Cyclic structures always have higher priority than C double bond C, C triple bond C. Ethinyl cyclohexane, okay, we will discuss later these things, cycloalkanes later.